at the Samsung stand here in Berlin, and yes, AI is a big part of the story. Let's go check out some of the ways that Samsung is going to use AI to make our lives easier. There's some really incredible looking screens here at the show. Samsung has also announced its new Premier 9 and Premier 7, and these are laser projectors, and they're really about bringing the big screen experience into your home. Now, these are short throw projectors, meaning you can put them right up close against the wall that you want to project onto. Normally, you'd have to put your projector at the back of the room, but now you can just put it right up against the wall. They have built-in sound with Dolby Atmos sound. Speakers are already integrated right into the unit, so you don't need to add anything. Plus, you can control them with the remote control, so they have all the streaming apps already on board. So it's more like a TV rather than a separate projector. They use laser technology, which means a much better looking picture. These are 4K, they have a wide color gamut. Both projectors have AI upscaling as well as a vision booster. And this is to further enhance the picture quality and make sure that you have clear and vivid images even when the room is actually bright. So you don't have to just use these at nighttime or in a home theater. And they're really about making a big screen experience as high quality as possible. So another big announcement is that Bixby gets smarter.
We're now making it even easier to control our appliances with the new upgraded Bixby voice control.
So now it connects to an LLM, or large language model, meaning that you can converse with Samsung smart appliances in more natural language. So it can understand you better, you can say things in different ways, and also you can say one thing and it will remember it, and then you can kind of resume that afterwards. So for example, you might be asking it for some information about when the washing is going to be done, and then maybe ask it something else about that particular washing load. So this will happen in washing machines, smart fridges, and other appliances. And I'm also told that the actual AI processing will remain on the device itself. And that's really good in terms of protecting your personal privacy, because this means that your information isn't being sent across the internet to servers somewhere else for the AI processing to happen. So expect to see Bixby get a lot more useful, a lot more easy to talk to, and basically it just means that our devices are getting even smarter than ever before. In Australia, we'll be getting Samsung's new Bespoke heat pump washer and dryer. So this is a combination unit, washer and dryer, and it uses the latest AI to help it become more efficient.
When you think about what consumers are really focused on today is that value. We know that over 94% of Australians are looking for ways to save money at the moment. It's critical for them that they find efficient products, but they're also looking for value. And with this large capacity washing machine, you can do the whole family load at once.
So it uses AI to take a lot of information about your washing. For example, how heavy it is, the soil level, the type of fabric, and then it can optimize the settings and make sure that the washer and dryer cycles are the most efficient as possible. In actual fact, if you put the AI power saving mode on, it can save up to 60% of energy using the washing cycle, or 20% energy on the drying cycle compared to if you had that setting switched off. It can do a full wash and dry in just around 98 minutes. That's on its fastest settings, so that's pretty quick. I love the color screen. It's got lots of information. You can actually have other devices communicate to it, so you can even answer a call if your phone's not in the same room. Plus, you can have lots of stats and information about the efficiency and how to take better care of it. I love how there's lots of data here to understand how you've been using your combo washer dryer in terms of energy usage as well as water. So some product care information here about how to clean the self-drying drum or the heat exchanger.
Products like this that can utilize technology to save running costs, but still give you an optimum outcome are really important.
tell you, there's nothing worse than having to think about what meals I'm going to cook tonight. And Samsung's new food app actually makes that a lot easier for you. So this is an app that gives you recipes and makes meal suggestions based on the food that you have in the fridge. So if you have a smart Samsung fridge, it'll know what's in the fridge using a special vision technology and cameras, and then make food suggestions based on what you might have. It can even then take a recipe and send the temperature settings to your smart oven as well.
A newly added function is that it now helps you reduce food waste with a clever combination of enhanced features using Vision AI and Food List. Users can add ingredients to their stored food list even if they don't have a phone that has a camera built in, simply by snapping some photos of the product and adding use-by dates.
I like this also because if you use the new subscription service, which is Samsung Food Plus, it will tie that into more refined meal recommendations based on your fitness goals. And also you can take pictures of the food that you have in the fridge and it can put that into the equation.
So let's just say you're exercising, you're burning kilojoules, your smartware is tracking that. It can then work with that food recipe to suggest menus that will complement the exercise and the fitness work you're doing. If you have dietary requirements, it will suggest recipes that allow you to do that.
So it's now available in 8 languages across 104 countries, and it offers tailored food for you plans, which are weekly recipes and snack recommendations based on your nutritional needs, your chosen diets, and even previous recipe preferences. Samsung's food app is another way of making cooking a lot easier. Well, there you have it. There's our quick tour of the Samsung stand here at IFA. AI is definitely top of the list here, but I'm excited about how it's going to enhance the way our smart devices work at home, just making life easier for us. Anyway, I'm Quinn, and we'll catch you in the next video.